Top tips to maintaining good credit and repairing your credit. Repairing your credit can be unpleasant business. You may have a lot of impatient people to deal with. You probably will have a ton of paperwork. Furthermore, you will need to exercise spending control in ways you've never had to before. This video will go over some key details on how to go about repairing your credit the right way. Obtain a copy of your credit report at regular intervals, and maintain a careful watch for agencies to report your repair efforts. If you are clearing up negative issues on your credit history, monitoring your report allows you to verify that agencies are correctly administering information on your status and that additional negative reports are not being made. To improve your credit worthiness, pay off your credit cards but don't close the accounts. It is an ironic truth that creditors want to lend credit to people who don't really need it. Two of the major factors going into the computation of your FICO credit score are the amount of credit you have available to you and how much of it you are using. An important tip to consider when working to repair your credit is to be sure that you spread your debt around if you have multiple credit cards. This is important because it is better to have two cards at a medium or medium-low balance than to have one card at a low balance and one at a high balance. Your score will suffer otherwise. More income is the obvious choice when one is working to repair their credit. Therefore, it is important to consider getting a second job. This is important because it is very likely that you actually do have extra time that you could allocate toward earning income. It is equally important to overcome pride and realize that your current job may just not be enough for you to dig yourself out of a hole. To keep your credit in top-notch shape, borrow no more than 30% of the credit available to you. Keeping your debt lower than 30% of your available credit will help you to maintain a strong credit score with the reporting agencies. It also means less owed to lenders and so, less for you to pay back. If you are trying to repair extremely poor credit and you can't get a credit card, consider a secured credit card. A secured credit card will give you a credit limit equal to the amount you deposit. It allows you to regain your credit score at minimal risk to the lender. Do not believe those advertisements you see and hear promising to erase bad loans, bankruptcies, judgments, and liens from your credit history forever. The Federal Trade Commission warns you that giving money to those who offer these types of credit repair services will result in the loss of money because they are scams. It is a fact that there are no quick fixes to repair your credit. You can repair your credit legitimately, but it requires time, effort, and sticking with a debt repayment plan. Switch to a cash payment plan in regards to purchases and spending. If you are not using credit, you cannot impact your history and make it worse. By limiting your usage of credit accounts and making timely payments to creditors, your repair efforts will move forward. Using available credit negates these efforts and increases the time to recover. As previously stated, repairing your credit will not be an easy task and probably not a pleasant one, but with great effort and serious concentration you can do it. Hopefully this video has given you some useful information that you can realistically apply to your financial situation. These sensible steps can put you on the road to good credit before you know it.